Understanding part orientation in English. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase part orientation. This might sound technical, but it's a concept that can be very practical in various contexts. So, let's dive in and demystify this interesting phrase together. Part orientation primarily refers to how a part or component is positioned or directed in relation to other parts. It's commonly used in manufacturing, assembly, and design contexts. Understanding the orientation of a part is crucial as it often determines how the part fits and functions with other components. But this phrase isn't limited to physical objects. It can also metaphorically apply to how elements are arranged in different systems or even in storytelling. Manufacturing and assembly. In manufacturing, part orientation is vital. For instance, in assembling a piece of furniture, if a part is not oriented correctly, it might not fit or function as intended. Design and architecture. Designers and architects also pay close attention to part orientation. The way a component faces or aligns with others can affect the aesthetics and functionality of the final product. Software and systems. In software, especially UI/UX design, the orientation of elements, like buttons, menus, and forms, is crucial for user experience. Understanding the context is key when dealing with part orientation. The orientation that makes sense in one scenario might be completely inappropriate in another. Always consider the system, the environment, and the end goal when discussing or implementing part orientation. And that's a wrap on part orientation. Whether you're dealing with physical objects, designing a system, or even telling a story, remembering the importance of how parts are oriented can make a significant difference. I hope this video has shed some light on this fascinating concept. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next lesson.